Hola and hello! Welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of May, we're learning all about Mexico. Come along with us. This week we're going to be learning a Mexican dance known as La Raspa. Let's watch and see how this goes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Great! Now let's break that down and learn it together. So La Raspa is actually sometimes incorrectly referred to as the Mexican hat dance, but that is an entirely different dance that we'll learn next week. So for La Raspa, you can use a partner, or you can dance it solo like I'm going to be doing, all right? Now if you have a partner, you're going to stand facing your partner, so all of the feet movements that I show you will be done together, okay? With our right foot going out first. That way we won't bump into our partner's feet or step on any toes. Okay? So first, to begin, let's learn the scissor step. That is kind of the heart and soul of this dance. So just like blades on scissors that kind of move forward and back in opposition, our feet and our legs are going to be doing the same thing. So I'll show it from the side. We'll start with our scissor step, just jumping and taking your right foot out in front and your left foot behind. 1, and then we switch, 2, switch, 3. See how our feet kind of alternate like scissors? Now let's try 3 more. So ready, left foot goes in front. 1, 2, 3. Good, let's try it facing the front. So right foot out in front first. Ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3. Good. Notice how there's a little bit of a pause in between each count of 3. Now this time when we do it, let's see if we can keep our heel down, but our toes come up off the floor. So when we jump into that scissor step, 1, our heel goes up on our right foot. And then we switch, 2, 3. And then we alternate again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good, let's try 4 sets of those all together. Ready? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Great job, how'd you do? Good. It's kind of an energetic dance, isn't it, with all that jumping? So now we're going to repeat those triplets, 4 times again, but this time we're going to add some rhythm with our hands. So on the rests in between the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, we're going to add a double clap. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Whew, can we try all 8 sets together with our partner or by yourself? Now remember, the first 4, there are no arms, just keeping our hands on our hips. And then the last 4, we add those clap claps. Ready? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now we add the claps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Great job. All right, so that's kind of part 1 of our La Raspa dance. Part 2 involves making a circle around yourself or with you and your partner circling around each other. So first we're going to start with a circle to our right. Now if I have a partner, I'm going to make my right arm or elbow into a hook and hook on to my partner's right elbow so that you're traveling around in a circle going clockwise. If you're just by yourself, just turn around in a circle or 2 circles for 16 counts to your right. Ready, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on count 16, or 2 sets of 8 around, we're going to switch and make a hook with our left elbow to our partner's left elbow, and then circle around to our left together for 16 counts. Ready, here we go. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On count 16, we come back to hands on hips to start the whole dance over again from the top. Should we try the whole dance together slowly from the top? Maybe 2 times through? All right. Are you ready? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now we add the claps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Now we turn to our right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switch directions left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now we add the claps. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The other direction left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, everyone. Well done. Thanks so much for tuning in this week. Join us again next week for more from Kodomo Kids. Bye, everyone. Adios.